Hello, trading is closed on August 20th, 2019. We'll go over our calls. Had a target of 29.1487. That printed and there was support under it. I guess I miswrote this 9 as an 8 and somebody caught me. Hopefully not everyone's as careless as I was and realized that 8 was supposed to be a 9. We had two other targets. They didn't print. They get added to the list. And we have a new target from today's trade. If we don't gap down, that's my call for tomorrow. During the day, MEJT said this is a false move, gives us the target. Well, here's what we said. We thought we had the early low, which we got. Unless we gap up and we take the high of the day promptly, we said lower prices should print, and they did. Still looking for this line to fail at some time. That's a long way south of where we are now. That being said, we do have support at today's low. Here's your Gann fan 1 by 1 line, and here's your fib retracement of the whole decline. So I think if this support holds, and there is support, we could go up tomorrow. Depends if support holds. We also have support from the diamond on stilts. Here's your stilt. Here's your stilt. Take these points, fib target on the nose. Support doesn't have to hold, but at least there's support. Forget the wave count. I'm not sure what it is. Wednesday's pattern has the early high. Usually it's a rally day with a high in the final hour or the open of the subsequent day. Failure is a straight line drop. On rare occasions, we get an A pattern with a high in the lunch hour. And when it occurs, Wednesday's often the day. Now, I don't have enough information at this time to say if that'll happen tomorrow or not, but at least be aware it's a possibility. We have a target of 29.1881. Absent a sharp gap down, that's what I think will print. 5 minutes left to trade. We had a gap down and lower lows, none of which were holding. Then a wall into the close took out all the lows. Often that's capitulation by the retail traders. If so, we should gap up Wednesday and likely hit the target. And if we gap down, that kills the call for the target to print. So all the time, we can't break below these lows. And right when the professionals leave, that's when we drop like a stone and hit lower lows in the futures market. It's not the professionals doing the unabated selling at that point. And if that's so, we should gap over this high. We'll know before the open tomorrow. Certainly if we gap over this high, I think that one should work, and that's higher still. Tomorrow's pattern has the early high. If this is a false move, we should gap up and hit the target. If we gap down, I'm not predicting the target prints. And that's today's call.